Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let us discuss how to do the isometric view of the given diagram. Here take the question. Draw the isometric view of a quadrilateral ABCD whose top view is as shown in figure. They have given one diagram. They are calling it is the top view. Why they are calling top view means if you are taking the corners of this diagram. Okay, here they have given small letters. So this will show it is the top view. Always in the top view, in isometric views as well as in orthographic views, we are taking the small letters. Okay, that's why they are calling it is a top view. For this top view, we have to do the isometric view. Okay, what is isometric view? Isometric view means here we have to take the dimension in x direction as well as in the y direction, in the z direction. In three directions, we have to take the dimensions. It is called 3D diagram or isometric view. If you are taking the given diagram, so in the x direction it has one value 60 mm, in y direction it has 40 mm, z direction indicates thickness. They have not given any thickness in this diagram. The meaning is thickness is 0 here. Okay, negligible thickness. Only two dimensions have given. Okay, if two dimensions are given, we are calling this diagram is the plane. Okay, for plane we are taking the negligible thickness. Okay, here first take the given diagram by using the instruments. After that we need to do the isometric view of it. Let us do. So mark the endpoint 60 mm width. Now give the names A and B. Here do the perpendicular line. For taking the perpendicular line I am using the set square. Okay, this is 90 degrees. Do one line. On it take 40 mm. Mark the endpoints. Make it dark. Okay, this point is Q point. Here whatever points have given, take those points. After that make it into rectangle. Here for getting the 90 degrees line this side, I am using the roller scale. I am keeping the scale here for this line and move that scale and keep the scale at this point 240 mm. So check whether it is 4 cm or not. This point is P point. Join P and Q. Now after getting this rectangle, mark D point here. Where is D point? From this A it is 25 mm. Just take 25 mm on this line. Here at this 25 mm, just do one line. Take this is a reference line and do the horizontal line here. Okay, here this side from Q it is 15 mm. So from Q it is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, here do the vertical line. Take this is the reference line. Any vertical line is a reference line. And at this 15 mm, do the line here. This intersection point is the D point. Join A and D. And then join D and C. Where is C point? From Q it is 50 mm. Okay, so mark C initially. From Q it is 5 centimeter. So this is a C point. Join D and C. And next join C and B. So this is a given diagram. Mark with the given dimensions as it is. Okay, all dimensions. Here also I have marked. Okay, after that we will do the isometric view of this top view. Okay, for doing the isometric view, just do one extension line. Here not necessary we have to do on the same extension line. We can do the diagram, isometric diagram here or here or here, any place we can do. Just for getting one order, I will do on the same extension line. Just do one light color line. So initially AB line is here. Take initial point is A. I will take the A point here. In isometric views I am giving capital letters. Okay. At A, do one inclined line which is making 30. Take 30 degrees this side. And this side also take 30 degrees. Okay. Now we got one point here, one point here. In this direction do one line, 30 degrees line of some length. Just do one line, 30 degrees line. In this direction also, this is also 30 degrees point. In this direction do one line of some length. Okay. So I took two lines which are taking 30 degrees with horizontal both sides. Okay, so initial point is A. One side of A is B point is there. How much distance it is? 6 centimeters. Okay, by using compass, take this length, 6 centimeter length, mark on this side and extend this line up to this arc. This point is capital B point. Now here on this side, take this length, AQ length. How much it is? 40 mm. By using this diagram, take AQ length, mark this side, okay, and make it dark, this length. So this point is Q point. Okay, now after that, do the QP line. So QP line is parallel to AB line. Okay, here also QP line is parallel to AB line. Okay, I am using roller scale. Use a drafter scale. Fix the drafter scale here. Okay, one of the scale, and move the scale in upward direction up to Q. Okay, so here I am using roller scale. Do the line. How much length? Whatever AB length will be there, mark on that. How much AB length? 60. Or from this diagram, take that length. This point is P point. Make it dark. Join B and P. This line is parallel to this line. Okay, let us check whether both are coming at the same line or not. So keep the scale here and move the scale. Here we got both points on the same inclined line. Okay, this is the rectangle in the isometric view. After that, mark this C point. So this C point is 50 mm from Q. Take CQ length. Okay, mark from Q. So this is C, this point. Join B and C. Now mark D point. How to mark D point? From this side 25 mm on AQ. Take this 25 mm length, mark on AQ. AQ is this line. Mark that length. Okay, here we got this one. Here do the line parallel to this. Okay, here I will do the line parallel to this. Move the scale up to this point. Just do one line of some length like this. And here from Q, this point is 15 mm. Okay, take that length. So mark on Q and P. So here do the line parallel to BP. So parallel to BP means this one. Here keep the scale coincide with this line, inclined line. Move the scale up to this point. Just do the line. Here the intersection point is D point. Take capital D. Join AD and DC with the help of scale. So in this diagram, isometric view, initially we are taking A point. So in next possible method of isometric view, take the B point. Okay, after some gap of this diagram, on the same extension line I am taking. As I told, not necessary we have to take on the same line. We can take here or here like that. Wherever gap will be there, we can take B point. Okay, take that B point and do 30 degrees line this side and one line 30 degrees line this side. So mark 30 at both sides. So this side 30 degrees, this side 30 degrees. Okay, join this point to this 30 degrees point. Do one line of some length. Here also 30 degrees line. Do this line of some length. Okay. Now B we have marked here. Take one side. Take this length, BA length. How much it is? 60 mm. By using compass, take 60 mm. B as center. Just do an arc here. So this is a A point. Okay. Similarly, after B, we are getting P point. Okay. How much length it is? 40 mm. Take BP length by using compass. So mark here. So this point is, the intersection point is P point. Here make this entire rectangle in this diagram. Here this AB is parallel to PQ. Okay. Here keep this scale coincide with this. do the parallel line. Okay, now at A, do the line parallel to BP. Here make it dark. So this intersection point is Q point. Okay, now after getting Q, we got this entire part ABPQ. Okay, so on it mark C point. C is from Q, it is 50 mm. By using compass, take this 50 mm, Q as center. Just mark one arc here. This is the C point. Join C and B with the help of scale. And then mark D point. From A it is 25 mm. Take this 25 mm. From A mark this distance. So here do the line parallel to this AB. At this point, do the line parallel to AB. Keep the scale at AB and move the scale up to this. Do one line of some length. Here I did the one line. After that, from Q mark this distance 15 mm. Take this length. From Q mark this length. Okay. So at this point, do the line parallel to this AQ. Okay, parallel to AQ. Keep the scale coincide with AQ, and at this point do the line. Okay, take this intersection point D point, capital D. Join this D point to A, D to A, and join D to C. So this is the method of doing the isometric view. So this is a given diagram, it is a top view. So these two are the isometric views. Here in this isometric view, we have started with A, we are taking 30 degrees lines with the horizontal. Here in this diagram, we have started the diagram from B. At B, we took the 30 degrees line. So in case of isometric view, we can do either this diagram or this diagram for this top view. In the sheet, always use pencil for doing all the three diagrams. Don't use other colors. Just for getting the clear view in the camera, I am using different colors. Here mark whatever given dimensions are there. So in it also mark all those dimensions. So here dimensional line is always parallel to the main line. Okay, just for showing the dimension I did here. For this diagram also mark all the dimensions. Okay, and here for these isometric views mark capital letters A, B, C and P, Q like that. For this top view mark small letters. Okay, as in given diagram. So this is a method of doing the isometric view for this given top view. Okay, the other methods of isometric views I will give the video link in description box. Please check it. If you like this lecture, please press the like button, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.